Hare Krishna. I'll read a story, Real Wealth, which displays the quality of universal brotherhood. It was the year 1966. Srila Prabhupada, a great Indian saint, traveled to America to tell people about God. Srila Prabhupada was from a cultured Bengali family and had lived in India all his life. He went to America to spread the message of Lord Krishna in the Western world. In America, he first lived in a very poor area called the Bowery. Then he moved to a small store which he later converted into a temple. The store was called Matchless Gifts. Ordinary gifts can be taken away from us, but God can never be taken away from us. He wanted to give everyone the gift of God's love. Every evening, Swamiji, as he was lovingly called, gave classes on the Bhagavad Gita to everyone who visited the temple. There were all sorts of people listening: boys, girls, business people, rich and poor. Swamiji welcomed everyone. One evening, Swamiji was saying, "Whatever little we have, we can use it in Krishna's service. The Lord never forgets any service rendered to him. Any person, whether qualified or not, can offer some service." Suddenly, there was a loud noise. Tug tug, knock knock on the door. A young man staggered into the temple. His clothes were torn and dirty. He was swaying to and fro. He was quite drunk. He was whistling and shouting. He said, "Move, move, move aside. Give me way." The audience were getting disturbed, but Swamiji remained calm. He politely said to the boy, "Please sit down and listen." The drunkard went outside and came back after a few moments. He was carrying a few tissue paper rolls. The drunkard went inside the restroom and put 2 rolls of the bathroom tissue inside. He closed the door and turned to the sink. He had put some paper towels on the top of the sink, and he put 2 more rolls of bathroom tissue under the sink. Everybody was watching and wondering what Swamiji would say. Swamiji said to the drunkard, thank you very much." The drunkard left as quickly as he had come. Swamiji continued his talk. God accepts everything we do for him with love and devotion. Even the tissue paper roll that this young man has left for the temple, the Lord sees the little good that we do with love and devotion and becomes happy. The Lord is not in need of anything from anyone because he is self-sufficient, and yet he accepts the offering in an exchange of love and affection. Patram pushpam phalam toyam yo me bhaktya prayachati tad aham bhakti upharhatam ashnami prayatatmanam. Bhagavad Gita 9.26. Lord Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, "If one offers me with love and devotion a leaf, a flower, a fruit or water, I will accept it." Thank you. Hare Krishna.